ISC Manufacturing, leaders in material handling, proudly introduces the ISC Screw Feeder, engineered for precision, built for performance. Designed to deliver consistent, controlled flow, this machine ensures efficiency at every stage of your operation. Our system starts with a robust hopper, ensuring steady material intake. From there, the material moves into the trough, where our precision-engineered screw delivers a controlled, even feed to the next stage of your process. Constructed from high-quality materials, our screw feeders are designed to withstand the harshest industrial environments. With precision welding, reinforced components, and a streamlined design, this feeder isn't just tough, it's built to last. Whether you're handling powders, granules, or bulk materials, the ISC Screw Feeder ensures consistent flow and minimizes downtime, so you can focus on what matters: your productivity. A screw feeder is never just a standalone component, it's part of a bigger picture. Whether you're integrating into an existing system or designing a new material handling process, ISC has the expertise to deliver. Our feeders work seamlessly with screw conveyors, bucket elevators, and other bulk handling systems, ensuring a fully optimized workflow. We don't just solve one challenge, we engineer solutions that fit your entire operation. At ISC Manufacturing, quality isn't an option, it's our standard. Ready to take your material handling to the next level? Contact us today. Call 817-641-0691 or email us at sales@iscmfg.com. ISC Manufacturing, engineering solutions that move industries forward.